Do a nitrogen pressure test. Here we go. We got it hooked up to the Yellow Jacket testing manifold. Okay. And just easily always look in there. See that that's just a parking space. This one actually has the opening into the gauges there. Okay, so remember, red is for the high pressure. Okay. And blue or green is for the suction line. Okay, I'm just reinstalling this condenser, so we're going to nitrogen pressure test it. Bring this little gauge to 300. Okay, and then this one, we're going to go ahead and bring it up to 250, like I said. So bring that up, see what's up. You scared on. Let it regulate. Okay. Okay. See, we're just slightly above the 250 psi. Okay. You're gonna let it just go ahead and sit for a second. You're gonna want to close this gauge. Okay. Make sure everything's tight. Make sure all your connections are tight. You're gonna wait 10-15 minutes. We're gonna time it. 105. So we'll come back in about 10 to 15 minutes.